Hello guys, I am Mohammed Amin Hakim. I hope you all are doing well. And today's video will speak about the 7 best affiliate marketing tips to earn more money. So let's get right into the video. In the last video, I spoke about the 6 best affiliate marketing tips to make more money. First, you have to build trust with your audience and your clients when you promote great products or good products. Second, you have to choose digital products because digital products have far better commission rates than physical products. Third, you have to promote digital products with recurring commissions. Fourth, you have to choose the right niche. The most lucrative niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Five, you have to diversify your affiliate partners. Six, you have to build your email list. In this video, I will speak about another important tip to earn more money. You have to disclose your affiliate links because when you disclose your affiliate links, your audience and your clients will trust you more. In conclusion, if you want to earn more money on affiliate marketing, you have to build trust with your audience and your clients when you promote great or good products and you disclose your affiliate links. You have to promote digital products with recurring commissions with the right niche. You have to diversify your affiliate partners and you have to build your email list. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.